In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Gumroad. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, let's dive right in. Selling digital products has revolutionized the way creators can share their work and earn income. One of the most accessible platforms for this is Gumroad. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step so you can get started selling your digital products today. First things first, let's head over to Gumroad. If you already have an account, simply log in. If you don't have one, don't worry. Signing up is quick and easy. Just click the sign up button on their homepage and follow the prompts to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. To start selling a digital product, you'll want to look for the option that says Products on the dashboard. Click on it. You'll see a button that allows you to add a new product. Go ahead and click that, and then you're ready for the next step. Now it's time to give your product a name. Think of something catchy that describes what you're selling. This could be the title of your ebook, the name of your artwork, or even the title of your online course. Remember, the name is the first impression potential buyers will have, so make it count. After naming your product, you need to set it as a digital product. There's an option for that right on the setup page. Simply select Digital Product. This tells Gumroad that you're not dealing with physical goods and allows you to upload your digital files later. Pretty simple, right? Next, let's talk about pricing. You'll need to set a price for your product. Think about what similar products are selling for and what you believe your work is worth. Once you've decided, enter the price in the designated field. Don't forget to consider the value you're offering to your customers. Once everything is set up, click on the Next button. This is where we can get a bit creative with customizing your product page. An attractive description can really draw potential buyers in. Take your time here. Write a detailed explanation of what your product is, what benefits it provides, and why someone might want to purchase it. Think of this as your sales pitch. Now that you've got a great description, it's time to add some visuals. Upload a thumbnail image and a cover for your product. These images should be eye-catching and relevant to what you're selling. If you're selling an ebook, for example, consider using the book cover design. High-quality images can significantly increase your chances of making a sale. Once you're pleased with the description and images, save your progress. You'll see a button that says Save and Continue. Click on that to move on to the next step. The next part is the fun part, uploading your digital files. Whether you're sharing an ebook, music, videos, or design templates, this is where you can upload the files customers will receive upon purchasing. Just follow the prompts to select the files from your computer. Ensure that everything is organized and working properly before moving on. Finally, once you've uploaded your files, review everything one last time. Make sure your product name, description, price, and uploaded files are all correct. If it all looks good, hit that Publish button. Congratulations! You're officially selling your digital product on Gumroad. And that's it! You've walked through the entire process of setting up and selling a digital product on Gumroad. It may seem daunting at first, but as you can see, it's quite straightforward once you break it down into steps. Remember to promote your product on social media and through other platforms to help drive traffic to your Gumroad page. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more tips and tricks on digital selling and creative entrepreneurship. Good luck with your product.